Hi everyone, welcome to my math channel, where numbers don't just add up, they tell a story. In today's video, we're going to learn how to find the missing angle in a triangle. So whether you already have the skill, you're brushing up, or you're studying for an exam, in this video, it's going to be a learning moment. If you're new here, consider subscribing to the channel, like this video, and also share it with someone that will find this content useful. With that said, my name is Peter, grab your calculator, and let's get started. So let's take a look at two examples here that I consider are easy examples on how to find the missing angle in a triangle. The first thing is to note that the sum of all angles inside a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So this triangle on the left side here, if you add 36 plus 99 plus x, you can set that sum equal to 180. When you add 99 and 36, you get 135. And then when you subtract that number from the right side from 180, x is 45 degrees. It's pretty easy, straightforward equation to solve. And the same thing we can do on the triangle on the right. If you add 80 plus 60 plus x, you write an equation, set it equal to 180 degrees. 80 plus 60 is 140. And then when you subtract 140 from 180, the value of x is 40 degrees. So these two examples here are pretty easy. And so let's do some examples that have algebraic expressions. So here are three questions that I consider as sort of like medium level difficulty to challenging level difficulty, and all three questions have algebraic expressions. So let's start with the one on the left here and see how we would solve for x. So the first thing is to notice that you need to add all the three angles and set them equal to 180 degrees. So x plus 59 plus 84 degrees plus x plus 51 equals to 180 degrees. And then you just need to add the like terms. So because there are two x's, you can add x plus x to get 2x. And then you can add 54, 84, 59, 84, and 51 to get 194. And then the next step here is to subtract 194 from 180. And that will give you negative 14. So 2x equals to negative 14. And then divide both sides by 2, x equals to negative 7. Now, only the variable x is negative 7. It doesn't mean that the angle is negative 7. So if you wanted to know, for example, what is x plus 51, you would substitute the x with the negative 7, and that angle would be 44. So 51 minus 7 is equal to 44 degrees. And you would do the same thing with the x plus 59. You substitute the x there with the negative 7, and that angle will be 52. So let's take a look at the second triangle. So you just need to add all the three angles. You'd get 5x plus 10 plus 7x plus 5 plus 45 equals to 180. Add the like terms, 5x and 7x, you get 12x. And then if you add 10 plus 5 plus 45, you get 60. Subtract 60 from both sides, you get 12x equals to 120, and then divide both sides by 12, x equals to 10. And the last question, it's a little bit simpler than the first two questions. You add 70 plus 60 plus 8x plus 2 equals to 180. Yeah, that sum 180 will always be the same as long as it's a triangle. And then when you add the like terms, 70 plus 60 plus 2, you get 132. You subtract 132 from both sides, you remain with 48. And then divide by 8 on both sides, x equals to 6. So if you wanted to know what is 8x plus 2, substitute the x with the 6. So 6 times 8 is 48. 48 plus 2 is 50. So that angle there is 50 degrees. All right, here's some two independent exercises for you to try on your own. Pause the video here, try the question, solve for x, and then unpause the video to see the answers. Good luck. So here are the solutions. The first triangle here, when you add all the angles, you solve for x, it's going to be equal to 7. And the second triangle, if you add all the angles, solve for x, it's going to be equal to 4. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment down below and let me know which math topic you'd like for me to cover next. See you in the next video. Cheers.